remember that. We're going to walk everybody through, but we play to 11, win by 1 or 2, depending on, usually it's 2, but if you want to decide to win by 1, you only get the points when you are the server, okay? The hardest part about this game is the points, okay? The game starts by saying your score, your opponent's score, and what number server you are, okay? So far, so good? The very beginning of the game, the score is 0-0, but the second server starts only at the beginning of the game. So the score is 0-0-2. You serve underhand. Anything above the waist is an illegal serve. So you're serving underhand, cross court. It must land in the dark blue corner of the court. If it hits the white line, which we call the kitchen, that's no good. If it hits the lines on any other side, it's good. When you serve the ball, it will need to bounce, and if you are the serving side, it needs to bounce. And then you're going to move your way up to the kitchen. Let's say I get the point. I still go over here. The score now is 1-0-2. I'm still the second server. We play. We get the point again. I now come back over here. My partner comes over here. The score is 2-0-2. So far, so good? All right. We play. We don't get the point. The ball now goes over to you. What's the score?
2-0-2.
0-2-1.
Oh, I got it.
Now you're the first server. Only at the beginning of the game you need to worry about the second server. First server will keep serving, and then what happens? Okay? Let's say you don't get that first point. Now the score is 0-2-2. And then it goes back over. Okay? So you will get 2 chances to serve. Okay? Make sense? That's the hardest part about this game, is that score. Say it before you serve every time, because you won't forget the score. You're going to say, what's the score, what number server I am? So you have to say the score every time. Okay? That's a very quick introduction on how to play. You only get points when you serve. You play to 11. We'll say win by 1 just so the games go quick. Oh, the serve can hit the net and go over as long as it hits. Okay, let's talk about the kitchen, which I'm going to show you all right here. The kitchen is that white part in the front, the part in front. You can go into the kitchen. You can, as long as the ball bounces. Okay? Ball bounces, you can come to the kitchen and you can hit it. However, you may not hit the ball in the air if you're in the kitchen. You may not hit the ball outside and fall into the kitchen. Okay? The only time you can hit the ball in the kitchen is when that ball bounces. Okay? Alright. You also don't need to let it bounce if you're outside the kitchen. The only time you need to let it bounce is a serve and a return.
If it bounces in the kitchen, you go in the kitchen, hit it, do you have to then come back out?
You definitely want to come back out. If not, I'm going to hit it right back at you. Okay? To get out of the kitchen. Okay? And when you're in the kitchen, you can only hit underhand. No, you can hit it anyway in the kitchen. If that ball bounces really high, you can go like this.
Underhand just on the serve.
Just on the serve.
Just on the serve. And I always tell everybody, people will do this. You're already asking for trouble when you do this. I tell everybody 2 ways to serve the ball. You may not throw the ball. You have to drop it. Okay? Drop, serve, or serve. Okay? When you contact the ball, it's going to be right here. So when that ball bounces up, it's going to hit it right the spot you want to hit it. So I tell everybody, do a dance. This is where you want it to go. Where your paddle's directed is where that ball's going to go.
You can't throw it up and you can't throw it down. Just
It's a bounce. Okay? So I'm going to show you on the court. That's a quick update, okay? Any other questions?
Everybody sign their waiver.
Did everybody sign in?
Make sure you sign your waiver if you haven't, okay?
No. I have one more question. So, how do you determine how does 1 and 2 work? What does that mean? You said second server.
That's a great question. The person on this side starts the game. We're on the court to show you.